friends. I've got a daily journal thing.
Does not like broccoli. No one likes broccoli.
Are here for sunrise. During what is for sure not a typical day in the life. Here's how it usually goes. Good morning, friends. Give me 1 second. Good morning. So it's a little bit after 9. I usually like to make some tea. I like to start the day with a little journal. I've got a daily journal thing that has been working really well for me. Each day I make like a new entry, and then there's 4 things. So the first is just the number 1 thing I hope to do that day. Second is a quote of the day, pretty sentimental like that. Then I do a morning gratitude and an evening gratitude. Another part, I have this like pretty elaborate habit tracker. Probably do a whole video about this at some point. Another habit that I've been working on is meditation. I'm like painfully bad at it. I can't focus at all, and I don't do it every day, but just trying to get a little bit better. Now, I usually make lunch, in which these beer cooked. Usually grab a couple clementines, a yogurt, and that's lunch. A little bit of cleanup, and we're getting ready to go. Oh, cable. Bike helmet, bike, and we are good to go.
Hello. So I've got like maybe 5 minutes before the next class starts. Thought I'd show you around a little bit. Okay, let's try again. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I can't hear you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very good. How are you today? I'm fine. I'm also fine. I'm happy. Who's happy? Raise your hand if you're happy. Happy? Yeah, me too. Let's practice some I like it, I love it. Oh, broccoli. Okay, do we like broccoli? Raise your hand if you like broccoli. Who loves broccoli? Who loves broccoli? Does not like broccoli. No one likes broccoli? Oh, come on, broccoli, you gotta eat your veggies. Let's do one more. Apples. Apples. Who loves apples? Loves apples.
Hey, so we're sitting down to eat lunch. This is just a beautiful park near my school that I usually come hang out and eat lunch at, or other days I'll eat with my teachers. Finished eating. While we're here, let's just quickly talk a little bit about budget, because I want to make sure that I'm not portraying something that's unrealistic. You know, as I mentioned in my other video, Mallorca is probably a little bit more expensive on average than some of the other regions. And so in a typical day in the life, I would probably be spending a couple of hours doing some private English lessons. The base 700 euro stipend generally isn't going to cover everything unless you're very frugal without teaching some other private lessons or coming with some savings. And those savings are also just super helpful for things like, putting down a security deposit, buying a bike, which you can sell later. It's a good idea, I would say, to have a little bit of money saved up before you come.
Good afternoon. I can't hear you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
So good, thank you.
I'm happy.
Very good.
Hey, so we just finished up at school and we're headed home now. It is just about 3 o'clock. So just got home from school. It's like 4 o'clock-ish maybe. It's a absolutely insanely beautiful day. So I think we're gonna go for a walk and then cook some dinner, go to jiu-jitsu.
Sitting by the fireside, really feeling that I like every little time that I get a chance to close my eyes. If you're gonna make it soon, maybe we could.
Just got back from the walk and now I'm gonna cook dinner. One of the best parts about being here in Spain has just been all the free time, and I've used a lot of it cooking, which is something I love to do. Making a fish in kind of like a coconut curry broth with red peppers and onions. Let's do it, let's cook.
Run away with me, or to a place that you thought you never really seen. It's be looking funny when you're living so free. But all I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many things, I prayed that they were wrong. But I'm still happy now. Just think of what could be if I was still around. The schedules were free. I'm missing the seas I swim when I used to truly bring everything I had to bring. I'd given everything. I just wanna live in bliss. Baby, can you grab this wish? You're the piece that might just fit in my puzzle that's in bits. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess a free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me, or to a place that you thought you never really see. Be looking funny when you're living so free. But all I ever was, afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many.
So dinner's mostly ready, changing and getting ready for jiu-jitsu. I just have to capture how good it feels to have just finished a jiu-jitsu class. It's like freaking best feeling ever. Always. Headed home, eat, chill, go to bed. All right, we're just sitting down to eat dinner. Probably gonna watch an episode of The Office after. If this piqued your interest on the program that I'm here on, you can check out another video, which I'll put on the screen, about how to teach English here in Spain. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.